First of all, we should find out what is the dispersion. The splitting of the white light ray into its 7 constituent colors from which it is made of is known as dispersion. Okay, so whenever the light ray is going to pass out through a prism, then we will observe that it is going to split up into its 7 constituent colors. Okay, so the splitting of the light ray into its 7 constituent colors is known as dispersion. So here we can see that we have taken a white light ray. Okay, this is a white light ray. And when it is going to pass out through the prism, we observe that it is going to split up into 7 constituent colors, and it is known as the spectrum. Okay, and spectrum, and they have a particular series, that is at the bottom we will observe violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and at the top we will have the red. So last 3, they are known as the blues. So they all give us the effect of the blue, so they are known as the blues, and the red is at the top. Why we observe the violet at the bottom and the red at the top? So we have to find out the reason here also. As we know that the wavelength of the red color is maximum, so the deviation is found to be minimum in red color. So we will observe that the red color will always be at the top, and the wavelength of the violet is minimum, so we observe that it will always be found at the bottom. One thing we have also to remember, the relation between the frequency and the wavelength. The wavelength and the frequency, they are always reciprocal. Whenever we will have more frequency, then it will have a least wavelength. So here we can see that the violet is having the maximum frequency, so it is having the least wavelength, and vice versa for the red color, as it is having the maximum wavelength, so it will have the least frequency. So it is the dispersion, and many phenomena all around us we can observe which are due to the dispersion of the light ray. And we can also observe that is the sky is blue, and not only this, we can also observe the forming of rainbow. These are all the examples of the dispersion. Okay, thank you.